Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use voice dictation to write a review on the Yelp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and after that select the restaurant or service to which you would like to add a review, and then click on this more button in the upper right corner of the screen and click on finish or add review. And then you should tap on this microphone icon down below next to the space button, and then it will be added to this box. If you want to edit any of the parts, just simply tap on it, delete it, and add your own review, either by typing it in or by speaking or using the voice dictation feature again. When you are done, click on the post review button down below or in the middle of the screen. Click on the done button and then your review will be added. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.